So below is a picture of a frustum of a square pyramid. Part of the pyramid included is between its base and a plane parallel to its base. The volume of the frustum is 1/3 times this quantity a squared plus ab plus b squared times the height, where its dimensions are a, b, and h as shown in the figure. What does b squared represent? Well, you can see that it says it's a square pyramid, so b would be the dimensions of the bottom base there, the area of the base. So you could call that the area of the base. Since it's a square. What does a squared represent? Well, that's obviously up here. If it's parallel to it, here it's also a square. Alright, so it is the area of the top face. What does the volume expression become if a equals 0? That's a good question. So we have our expression right here. I'm going to do this work up here. 1/3 times a, and they said that a is going to equal 0. So every place I see a, I'm going to substitute 0. Well, what happens here? 0 squared is 0. 0 times b is 0. So the only thing I got left from inside the parentheses is b squared. 1/3 b squared h. There it is, 1/3 b squared h. All right. One-third b squared h. All right. For what type of geometric solid does your answer to part C give the volume? Well, obviously, this is a square, right? So, and the 1/3 is for, we have here for a square pyramid, right? Because the base of a cone would be a circle, and this is not a circle area formula, so this would be for a square pyramid. E. What does the volume expression become if A equals B? Alright, so here we have our 1/3, and we're saying A is going to equal B. So we either have to change all these to A's or B's. So I'm changing the B's to A. So we have A squared plus another a squared, because it's a times a, plus a squared. So I changed this b. Perhaps you can't see that on here now. So we had a squared plus ab. This was the original expression from the previous slide. Oops, sorry. That wasn't good. Okay. B squared. Alright. So I replaced the b's with a. So this was an a, and this is a. Alright, now, and let's not forget about the h on the end. So a squared plus a squared plus a squared is 3a squared. So 1/3 times 3a squared h. 1/3 times 3 is would make 1a squared. 1/3 times 3 is 1. So we would end up with here a squared h. Alright. It's right there again. A squared h. Now, if you changed all the a's to b's instead of the b's to a's, you would have b squared h. So either one will work. A squared h or b squared h. For what type of geometric solid does your answer to part E give the volume? Alright, well, what is this? This is a square prism. Square because of the a squared or the b squared. That'd be the area of the base. Remember how we get the volume. Area of the base times the height is the general rule. Prism. Some of you might say a rectangular box or rectangular prism, and that would be okay also. And that's it. So, have yourself a geometric night. Best wishes to pass along to you from Euclid for the test tomorrow, and hopefully it will go well for you. If you prepare, you will do well. That's what's happened in the past. Students who prepared for this test have done really well, so hopefully you'll be one of them. All right, you have a geometric night, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.